Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna start my first vlog here at the dinner table. You're not gonna watch me eat, I'm just gonna prep my food here. But I'm in Quartzsite, Arizona. Got me some tamales for dinner. I just warmed them up in the oven. But I've been here since Monday. I tried to do a walking vlog this morning, but apparently someone forgot to turn on the sound. I don't know who that would be, but kind of messed things up. So I'll have to do another one tomorrow. We'll get that figured out. And I'm just here in Quartzsite, Arizona. They say that next month is when you're supposed to come up here. That's when it gets real busy, like over 1 million people, they say. Well, here you go. I got some salsa. And then, well, I guess I'll show you what I got going on here. So there's my tamales, sour cream, some V8, and then bought this in town peanut brittle. Haven't had that in a while. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure what to say. I don't know what people say really on vlogs, even though I watch a lot of YouTubes with people on vlogs. But this is what I'm kind of doing right now. I don't know if you can hear the generator. Generator's running. Temperature's good inside the RV. It was cold last night because I left open a vent, so that was kind of made things cold. And then had a little bit of a scare this evening because what happened? None of the outlets were working. The generator was going. None of the outlets were working, and I couldn't figure out why. And so I started pulling fuses, resetting the breaker box, resetting the bathroom plug, because everything's connected to the bathroom plug, and it still wasn't working. And then I don't know what made me click in my mind, but I was like, oh, even though I turned the generator on, I forgot to plug the RV into the generator, so I had to go do that. So hey, now the outlets work. I wonder if you guys can hear the generator right now. But yeah, that's all kind of what I've been doing, just kind of putting around, going to town here and there for random stuff. Like, what did I go to town today for? Went to town today for, I forget what I went to town today for. Oh, I didn't have to go to town. I just chose to go to town for something to do. And that's where I got the tamales. And then I went to town yesterday to get propane. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the little swap meet looking thing to see. I went there the other day, but most of the stuff was closed during the week. So tomorrow, being Saturday, hopefully it'll be all opened up. Really take out a bunch of the booths. And then I'll take you on like I said, this in the morning we'll do another walking tour. I'm going to try to do a time lapse of all the stars tonight. We'll see how that works out. We've never done that before, so we'll see how that turns out. And then I guess I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll see how everything works out. Bye, guys. All right, so I'm here at my campsite. You can see the RVs over there. And it's just a little view of everything. Bless you, Daphne. Well, what is there to tell you about this place? So you can see there's some campers around me. The further you go that way, the more campers there are. I'm a little on the outskirts of all the campers. A lot more now than it was when I first arrived here. Over there somewhere is a nudie section. I discovered that on accident. It was quite interesting. Wasn't expecting that. So we're going to walk in some type of direction. There's all these little walk formations. Let's walk over here first. People build these rock formations. They do a pretty good job too. So here's the one that's over here. So let's spend a lot of time and energy into that. It's quite a bit of them. We'll walk over to another one that's pretty cool. It's called the Circle. So me and Daphne have been walking about 2 or 3 times a day, a mile or two. Obviously I won't show you the whole walk, because that'll be like 40, 50 minutes of walking, maybe an hour. There's a little one that someone started building. What's it here? They do pretty extensive though, as you'll see as you walk. We spent a lot of time on it. So there's a lot of YouTubers here. So as people see me with the camera, I always ask if I'm a YouTuber. Obviously, with my 12 subscribers, I'm not a YouTuber. She's really enjoying her walks. By the time night gets here, she's ready for bed. So last night I tried to do the time lapse of the stars, but it didn't come out very good because the moon was so bright. So pretty much just saw the moon go across the sky. Really wasn't no Milky Way or a bunch of stars or anything.